Understanding entry-level coding challenges.
Entry-level coding challenges are designed to test the fundamental knowledge and problem-solving abilities of candidates new to the tech industry. Recruiters use these tasks to evaluate how well you understand programming basics, logic, and your approach to solving practical problems. Performing well often requires a mix of core skills, clear communication, and the ability to write clean, efficient code.
Core skills recruiters look for.
Recruiters expect strong grasp of programming fundamentals like variables, loops, conditionals, and functions. Clear understanding of data types and arrays is essential. Newcomers should demonstrate logical thinking, the ability to break down problems, and write organized, readable code. Familiarity with at least one popular programming language, such as Python, Java, or JavaScript, can make a strong impression.
Common coding tasks in entry-level interviews.
Typical challenges include manipulating strings and arrays, solving simple algorithmic problems, and basic data structure operations like searching or sorting. Tasks may also involve implementing functions, debugging existing code, or working with basic math operations. Recruiters often favor real-world scenarios, so expect questions that relate to everyday software needs.
Problem solving and communication.
Beyond technical ability, recruiters assess how you approach problems. Clear thinking, structured reasoning, and the ability to explain your solution step by step are just as important as writing correct code. Talking through your thought process demonstrates both your understanding and your ability to communicate effectively with teammates.
Preparation tips for coding interviews.
Practice is key. Regularly work on sample problems, review basic algorithms, and get comfortable with writing code under time constraints. Use online coding platforms to simulate interview conditions. Focus on writing clear code and explaining your logic. Understanding both the problem and the reasoning behind your solution helps demonstrate the skills recruiters value most in entry-level candidates.